Hey, what's up guys? In today's video you will learn how you can use geocoding and reverse geocoding services into your Salesforce org. Guys, geocoding and reverse geocoding services are basically API calls provided by Google through which we can get the particular address of a particular user using their latitude and longitude, or we can get the latitude and longitude of a particular user using their address. Guys, using geocoding service we can get latitude and longitude from a particular address, and using the reverse geocoding service we can get the complete address using the latitude and longitude of a particular location. So guys, today we will be implementing this functionality using a Apex class into our code. Guys, let's start today's video. I'm Kapil, your host, and you're watching Salesforce Bolt. Alright guys, so in today's demo guys, we'll be implementing the geocoding and reverse geocoding service into our Apex class. So as I told you earlier, these are some API calls. Let me just show you how you can get the API. So guys, first of all, you need to create an account on developers.google.com. After that, you have to generate a API key from your dashboard or from your console. You can easily generate the API key from there. After that guys, on the service page there are some documentation available for geocoding and reverse geocoding service. Let me just show you an example guys. Let me just show you the geocoding service first. Like suppose in geocoding service I am searching my city right now. Okay, so on get geocode service it will redirect me to my city on their map. So guys, using the geocoding service, basically what they are doing, they are getting the latitude and longitude of the current address, and using the latitude and longitude of the address, it is displaying the map here. And guys, for the reverse geocoding service, we will need the latitude and longitude of a particular location. Like we are having a default latitude and longitude here. Let me just click on the reverse geocode service. So using the reverse geocode, you can get the complete address of a particular location using the latitude and longitude. So guys, in my code I have implemented the functionality. Let me just show you. Alright guys, so guys, this is my Apex class. Basically in my Apex class I'm just passing an address here, I'm passing my local address here, and underneath that guys, as you can see here, I'm passing my key here. You can get the key from the developer.google.com. okay, and guys, I'm passing the URL using the HTTP request, and I'm printing the body using the HTTP response here. Let me just show you the output of this. So guys, first of all, I'm trying the geocoding service, and for the geocoding service I'm just sending the address in the URL parameters. Okay, and this Apex class I'm using in a custom VF page on which I'm having a command button. On click of that button, I will be calling my Apex class, and we will be getting the latitude and longitude of this particular address. Okay, so let me just show you the output. So this is my custom Visualforce page. Let me just refresh it once. Okay, now we will click on the call API button. Alright guys, let's check out the output. We'll be having output into the debug logs. Okay, let's show debug only. Alright guys, so this is the JSON body I'm getting from the Google APIs. In this JSON body guys, you can see the address here, you can see the city name, state name, and if you scroll a little bit more, you will be able to find the latitude and longitude of the current location. So guys, using a normal API call, you can just use the geocoding service, and the same functionality will be applied for the reverse geocoding service. In reverse geocoding service, we will be requiring the latitude and longitude of this location. Let me just copy the latitude from here. And guys, in reverse geocoding service also, the parameter name will be address to pass the latitude and longitude. Let me just pass it here, and here's the longitude. Okay, alright guys. Okay guys, let's try and run this code one more time. Okay guys, let's check it out one more time. All right. Okay guys, so as you can see, we are getting the address here, the city name, the locality name, has the country name, state name, and the postal code as well. So guys, this was the reverse geocode service. We just have to send a plus sign in between the two latitude and longitude, and the same we will be doing with the address as well. So don't forget to implement the plus sign in between the latitude and longitude sign, otherwise you will be getting the false API calls. Alright guys, so using the same way you can modify the code and implement the functionality as per your requirement. Like let's say we can create a trigger on contact or account which will get the latitude and longitude using the address, and we can use the same API call there as well. Or we can use same API call into some customized functionality where we need to get the address from the latitude and longitude, so we can use the reverse geocoding service there. And guys, I will be creating a blog also for this. You can find the complete Apex class code there except my key, because you have to use your key there. And guys, I will be sharing some useful links also for JSON parsing. Like if you are new to it, so you can just use the reference link to check how you can parse data from JSON. Okay. Alright guys, that's it for today, and I hope you learned something new. Hey guys, I hope you liked today's video. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below. Also let me know if you have any query in the comment section below guys. I'll try to revert back as soon as possible. I'll see you in the next one guys. Thanks for watching.